Hi everyone, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'll be unboxing Xiaomi 14T phone. Okay, as you see, I have one of the brand new Xiaomi phones, and I searched for all the specification. I'll tell you right in the second, right now, and I will tell you my overall opinion is really great. If I had that phone, that would be really cool because it's one of the most perfect phones on the market right now for this price range. So I'll lift up slowly the box, and then as you see, I will show you the version that I have. Xiaomi 14T Titan Blue, 12GB RAM, 256GB ROM. It's a really big numbers. It sure does fit really well for the aesthetic of the phone. It has a lot of memory and everything that you will enjoy using so much. The 12GB RAM that can run you basically any app that you want, multiple apps and even games if you would like to game. This phone is just perfect for gaming, as I would say. So quickly lift it up and I will tell you all about it. So one thing that I need to tell you, it's the display. So basically it has the AMOLED 68 billion colors that it can just show you. There's 144 Hz, there's Dolby Vision, and there's the 1600 nits and 4000 nits at its peak. So I'll quickly go unboxing this box, and as you see, that's the little metal thing for the SIM card that you can open it with. And then as you see, it's the charger. It's a fast charging charger. It's one of the best at the moment at the market, as I would say. It really stand up to his competitors like Apple. It made the charger feel super good with the touch. It's really smooth and it's really great. It has 67 volts of charging. And then there's the Xiaomi Quick Start Guide and warranty card. I'll quickly skip that. It's just a basic thing that you get with every phone, how to set up your phone and everything that you need to know. And then that's the case. It feels really smooth. It's really nice. It has a super nice texture. I would say it's one of the smoothest etuis that I've seen in a while. It's really great actually. And then I will quickly go through the main star. It's the Xiaomi 14T phone, and as you will see, it looks perfect. It looks really amazing. If I have to compare it to any other devices, I would say maybe I will compare it to an iPhone. It really gets the job done. It's cheaper compared to the new iPhone 16 and 16 Pro Max. It's way cheaper than iPhone 16 Pro Max, and it has basically the same specs as it has the iPhone 16. Quickly lift it up. Then I will show you. Wait a second. I'm sorry. I'll quickly lift it. And as you see, I have the phone in my hand. It looks really great. I will tell you all about it right now. And the one thing that I didn't mention, it's the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra. It's one of the best CPUs that I've seen in a while. It looks really great. It looks so good. And then it feels really smooth while handling things like opening apps, and it does perform really well. And then one thing that I mentioned, it's really good, it's the Xiaomi custom image sensor, as you can see right now. I heard that it works really good for the sensors and all of your devices that you want to plug to. It detects every little movement on your phone, so it works perfectly. Just slowly unbox it, and then wow, this phone looks so great. It has a really I would say a heavy feel to it, but it sure is light. It has, wow, the camera is really beautiful. As I see all of the lenses, they are so beautiful. The color of the blue is really nice too. All I could say, I'm really amazed about this phone. If I could, I would buy that myself it will be a perfect phone for normal use, gaming, and even working on it. And that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.